If you are caring for someone that you love who is dying, who is at the end of their life, and you have never gone through this experience before, you've never gone through the end of life journey, you've never cared for someone that you love at the end of life, you've never had to prepare for someone that you love to die, it can be extremely overwhelming and scary and confusing, and you don't really know what to do, what to expect, what's going to happen tomorrow, what's going to happen in an hour. I am putting together the 6 most important things to do before they die. These 6 things are things that I have learned not just from the healthcare side, not just from the hospice side, being on the healthcare professional side of it. These are things that I really learned from the family side through going through it within my own family and realizing what really needs to be done, what were really the most important things to do in this limited time, this precious limited time that we have with our loved one before they die. So I'm going to be posting a little bit more about this. It is a mini course that I am going to be launching in the next couple of weeks. So if you are interested, go ahead and send me a message. I will send you more details about how to get access to the 6 most important things.